I'm Leo Landis, State Curator for the State Historical Society of Iowa and the Iowa Department of Cultural Affairs. I'm here at the Polk County Gold Star Memorial, just west of Unity Point Lutheran Hospital, just off the Birdland Marina Trail. If you're exploring Des Moines by bicycle, a great stop is the Polk County Gold Star Memorial. It was dedicated in 1926 to the soldiers of what they called the Great War. There are more soldiers from Polk County than any other county in the state who died in service. It covers men from all over our county, men like Neil Davis of Grimes, men like Floyd Mathis of Elkhart, Luis Gonzalez of Des Moines. There are more than 100 names on the memorial. You can learn about it by exploring Polk County and exploring the Iowa Culture app, which is offered by the Iowa Department of Cultural Affairs. As I said, it was unveiled in September of 1926. The people doing the unveiling were Minnie Fleur, whose husband Edward was a captain. He died in service, was killed in France in May of 1918. That is who Fleur Drive in Des Moines is named for. The other person unveiling the memorial in September of 1926 was Lou McHenry. Her son Harrison, Captain Harrison or Harry McHenry, was killed in March of 1918 in France. So they had the mothers, a Gold Star mother and a Gold Star wife, unveil the memorial in 1926. The term Gold Star was used to honor men who had died in service. And World War I, or the Great War, was the first war where the Gold Star was used to make that designation. So that's why it's known as the Polk County Gold Star Memorial. So come to the Polk County Gold Star Memorial, honor and recognize the men who died in service to make the world safe for democracy.